ladies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm participating on the Food Network semi-homemade collaboration hosted by Juani from Juani's House and V from Designs by V. And they wanted us to get inspired on the show from the Food Network semi-homemade by Sandra Lee. And the inspiration has to come from something that's already made, and you just have to spruce it up or add some ingredients and make your own. And I decided I wanted to make a pumpkin pie because last week my son broke his elbow and we're having lots of visitors. He's loved by many people. So I want to have something to give to my guests when they come to visit my son. And pumpkin pie is just perfect. So I decided a pumpkin pie would be the best to serve them. So for that we're going to use this Mrs. Smith dip dish pie crust, a mixing bowl, some sugar, this pumpkin puree, and some evaporated milk. Also vanilla. My son removed the label. And for spices we're going to use nutmeg, ginger, and cinnamon. So let's get started. First we're going to take our eggs and we're going to add them to the mixing bowl like so. We need 2 eggs. And then we're going to beat them using our mixer. Like that until you see that the yolk disappeared and is mixed. And now we're going to take our pumpkin just like that. And we're going to pour on the mixing bowl all of the pumpkin inside our can. Just like that. And now we're going to take our dry ingredients. I'm going to leave you a list of the dry ingredients you will need in the description box down below, so don't worry. And we're going to add our evaporated milk little by little. And now I'm taking my vanilla and adding half cup of the vanilla like so, and adding the rest of my milk. We're going to continue mixing until it's really mixed. You're going to get some sort of consistency. I wouldn't say like glue, but it's kind of like glue. I'm a DIYer. And now we're taking our pie crusts that I just left them outside of the fridge while I was mixing, and we're gonna pour our mix into our pie crusts. I just added too much mix to my first pie crust, and you would see that I don't have enough for the second one, but I will have to come back, take some of the first pie crust mix and add it to the second one because it's too full. And just like that, we have them. Now they go to the oven that I preheated at 425, and now I lowered that temp to 350. This is how they're looking. They just came out of the oven, as you can see. They look so delicious and they smell amazing. I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit. They are in their tray. I just took them out of the oven, and they're gonna get cooled for a while, and then I'll show you. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our pie plated. This is a delicious pie. I just love it. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I just love this pie. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.